real world.
This year.
Sa Mexico din kami, walang pakialaman kung papasok ka o hindi. Importante kung
Ano pa rin, anong dragon fruit? Diyan, yung dragon fruit na diyan ko kinuha. Yung, ano yung mula di Amerika. Nagpuslit ko si Kankal ko di kuha.
Jay. When?
Alright, now put them all back.
Look at this squad for real. Look at my boys. This is my OG squad for real.
Huddle.
My glorious king. Yes, sir. Okay, who let them all here, huh?
Help me, I'm on the floor.
You're lost. Okay, so we said we were in the middle of nowhere. Now we are in the middle of nowhere. Look at the road. The road looks horrible. We're in the middle of nowhere.
Ano, meron namang changes. Hindi ko alam.
Gabi na ba kami tumawag sa'yo, tita?
Pagkupunta ko
No, because we were, I told her I told her to find.
I see you, Squeaky. Come and face your mama. Squeaky.
I wanna go to Japan and eat sushi.